Ecological and Biological Succession by Chad Campbell, Shay Lenehan, and Justin Rayberg. Primary succession occurs in essentially lifeless areas or regions in which the soil is incapable of sustaining life. As a result of such factors, lava flows, nearly formed sand dunes, or rocks are left behind from retreating glaciers. There was a desert, a lonely desert, but then a fox came along, wandered around, and then it died of hunger. After a while, it biodegraded. But then a bird flew along and dropped some seeds. And then a plant grew, and it biodegraded. Then the wind spread some seeds. And then grass grew, and plants, and shrubs, and trees. Then animal life came along. Soon then, a river, and they had a wonderful life. But then humans came along, and the animals hid from the humans. The end.
Secondary succession takes place following a major disturbance, such as a fire or flood. Farmland that has been abandoned also can undergo secondary succession. The stages of secondary succession are similar to those of primary succession, with one important difference. Primary succession always begins on barren surface, while secondary succession begins on an area that already has soil.
There was a forest. Then an avalanche came. Everything in the forest died. Then worms came along in the dirt, and they started biodegrading the forest, like stumps and the dirt. Then some grass grew, and trees, and trees, and more trees. Then there was a big forest again, with lots of animals. That's all, folks.